Alright, so we have another boot camp video, but this time we're going to have a boot camp on workspaces. So I guess put on your boots and let's check this out, okay? So in zzTakeoff, we have this amazing ability to have multiple workspaces, lots of jobs. Some of your companies, these larger companies, are going to have hundreds and hundreds of jobs. And you want to be able to not only organize them when you're doing your estimates, but let's say you want to duplicate them and send them off to project management, keep it separate, or you want to have a different branch, have a different workspace, but they want to look at another job. So this video could help you in that respect. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start right off and go to the workspace drop down up here on the top left. And I'm just going to hit open projects, okay? You can see I've got a few projects here, and let me collapse all. There's going to be recents. If you've had some that you've recently opened, that's what these are. It'll help you kind of find them faster. Also know that this is searchable if you wanted to find a framing or a particular name of a job. So please know that that search is an option. But also, one of the amazing things about this is you could have folders. So let's say we have a folder here that we want to have for the New York estimating team. Okay. And we go like that, and they don't have any projects, but when they start a project, they can put it into this folder. And it really is as simple as just drag and drop if you wanted to. Not a problem, but you can have as many folders as you want. It's a nice way to organize your bids and know that you can move them around, okay? So it doesn't have to be concrete or drywall. This is for our sales team, so when they have a demo, they can quickly show somebody, if they're a drywall contractor, how it works, or concrete. But let's continue on. So as you can see, I have a lot of workspaces, okay? And what happens if I want to take, let's open up this workspace here. I'm working on a concrete build here. Let's say I want to move this to that concrete workspace that I've got. In fact, let's do the concrete build, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to move it to the sales and demonstration, okay? And when I hit that, it's just going to take it and move it all over there. Okay, so it's going to take a while. This is a very large project, even though it just says it's done. Let's go see. It's a large project, and it just moved it so quick. So now I have, if I hit collapse all, I'll find it a little quicker. I have this concrete build project. And now if I wanted to, I can just push it right up into there. Okay, so you can not only organize your bids, but you can move them from workspace to workspaces. And again, workspace could be another company, another branch, another estimating department. It could be whatever you want it to be, however many workspaces you have. But let's not stop there, okay? Let's take a smaller project. How about this framing and roofing demonstration? And what happens, okay, I want to duplicate it, okay, and I'm going to call it, let's say we got this job, and I'm going to say project, project. I got helped if I could spell with my fingers, and I'll say duplicate. So now it's duplicating, and now if I wanted to, I could say, okay, I'm going to send that over to, let's put it in the general contracting, and maybe we say, hey, this is for project management, and you want to move it there, off it goes, and there you have it. So these workspaces are phenomenal in how easy you can organize, duplicate, move around from one workspace to another. There is one thing that you can do, and I would advise some caution with it, is you can delete this project, okay? I don't want to delete it, but if I did, that means that project is gone. Okay, so we've had some people accidentally remove projects, and if something is an accident, give us a call, and I know the team can go back and reinstate it. Pretty soon they're going to have an update. Maybe you'll be watching this; it's already there, but we can have like a trash bin. You say, oh, wait, I didn't mean to remove that. You can just go back to the trash bin and put it back into your workspace. And I think that workspace would probably be a trash bin in a sense. In fact, maybe what you do is you create a new workspace, and then you make it your trash bin. And when you're done with a project or you didn't get awarded, you just put it in the trash bin, but never really get rid of it. Anyways, those are food for thought. Wanted to kind of get your boots back on and have a look at the workspace environment. Okay, thanks for watching. Have just a wonderful day.